Integrity is really important to Arup. It's enshrined in our values and it's part of what makes us come together as a company. And the government is driving building as part of its key policy. So it's really important that infrastructure builders have sustainable solutions where they can mitigate the impacts of their infrastructure development. So what we're doing at EnTrade is developing high integrity nature markets. What that means is we can bring together infrastructure developers and suppliers using digital tooling and track exactly the environmental improvements that are being taken. It's good for Arup because what we want to do is underpin the principle of fairness and transparency in the work we do.
The biggest obstacle we've faced has been the deep distrust of the use of markets in delivering environmental outcomes. So I see digital as enabling a fundamental paradigm shift in how we deal with the challenges facing the natural environment. Digital infrastructures can facilitate the integrated delivery of clean energy, improved water quality and nature recovery, facilitating a step change in investment in environmental improvement. And that's what markets fundamentally do. Markets enable the efficient delivery of verified environmental improvement on the ground.
For us, EnTrade is all about environmental recovery, sustainability. Therefore, when we designed the platform, we had to architect and code in a way that aligns with those principles and those values.
We were very clear from the start that we wanted to make sure this was the sort of environment that sits on cloud services, AWS in this particular instance, so that we can spin up the resources as we need them. The main thing there is that it uses less energy, so it's very much aligned with the EnTrade philosophies, and so we were really keen to follow down that same path.
Digital underpins the basis on which we quantify and provide evidence of the environmental benefits delivered by our markets. We've used, for example, a standard to quantify the pollution reduction delivered by nature-based projects and delivered the level of regulatory certainty required by the regulator in our markets. So market integrity is going to be essential, and for us, digital will be a key way of enabling that market integrity.